A unique feature of the Zehnder Clean Air Max is its huge range of filter options. Different filter modules can be combined in different numbers and in many ways to tackle any workplace air pollution, guaranteed. From smaller to medium-sized units to big devices for large areas that require a high air turnover. So flexible are our designs that we can provide top-quality air cleaners to fit the smallest and most awkward of spaces. It also makes servicing so easy, with filters accessed from any direction without dismantling the unit. Universal mounting fixtures mean we can position Zehnder Clean Air Max exactly where it needs to be. It can hang vertically, horizontally to save space or get units closer to the dust source, the opposite way around, or in any position in between. And if your air cleaner needs to be mobile, we simply supply it with wheels. As your business grows or circumstances change, it's simple to remodel these extremely flexible units. It's no effort to relocate them either, and filter modules can easily be added or removed. A modular system, easy to install anywhere and adapt as your business grows or changes, means we'll design the perfect clean air solution for you.